Today is a special day. We're on board a Sunreef Ultima 55, the only one actually in the US. So starting out here, the first thing you notice is this massive beach club here. So actually with the fold out sides expanded, you've got about 25 feet of beam. So this is a great space for entertaining, hanging out. You'll be the envy of anybody at the sandbar. And you'll also see two large sun pads here. Actually, both of these lift up, and that's where you have access to your engine compartments. So you have split engine compartments for your two Volvo D6 motors, paired with surface drives, combined with the hydrofoil technology, gives you speed of about 40 knots. Carbon fiber table here, you'll notice the carbon fiber theme throughout. Also on the aft platform, you've got this carbon fiber crane here for a jet ski or small tender, which actually is light enough to pick up and stow away. And as we move forward here, you've got your switches for both your side platforms. There's also a hydraulic gangway that either can be used as a boarding ladder or swim steps down into the water. And a couple drawer freezers here and an ice maker on the outside as well. And moving forward to the bow here, you'll notice just keeping those sleek yacht-like profile, the sleek lines, no bow rails on this boat. But as you're moving forward, you do have a nice sturdy grab rail here, so you still feel safe walking toward the bow. But when you see the profile of this boat from the water, you see it from the side, it doesn't look like a catamaran. You know, it looks like a sport yacht, it looks like a performance machine. Really an incredible vessel from Sunreef. And you've got two big bow lounge seats as well. And those headrests can fold up as well. Pop into place there. And you've got another nice usable space. And moving into the Salon, you've got tons of glass, bringing in natural light. So nice, modern, bright, airy feeling. Seating to port and starboard, a couple high-low tables. You've got a small galley as well here with a pop-up TV. Nice accent lighting throughout, and a small but functional galley here as well. And jumping into the helm here, this is one of the coolest features about this boat. It's got this supercar inspired helm, massive MFD screens here, tilted up so you get great visibility. You have digital switching for everything here with Sunreef. So that enables the dash to be nice, clean. You know, you see more of that carbon fiber as well. And you know, I mentioned that this boat is powered with D6 Volvos with surface drives. That paired with the foil assist, you know, makes this boat for 55 footer at the speeds we can go, you know, cruising at 35 miles an hour, very efficient. So you've got your surface trim as well as bow thrusters, and really just a nice, clean, functional dash up here. But I love this space by Sunreef, and really, really great visibility from here. So this is really Sunreef's version of a day boat, but you do have some accommodations. You know, on each hull side, you have a berth. So we're down here on the port side, and you've got a spacious cabin, you've got some bench seating, and you have a stand-up shower, separate shower. So great for weekends. Maybe you're not spending an entire week on this boat. But like I said, this is really Sunreef's version of a day boat, but still comfortable for a couple nights, absolutely. Thanks for joining me on this quick walkthrough of a Sunreef Ultima 55. Truly a one-of-a-kind vessel. I mentioned the only one in the US. Now, it is not currently advertised for sale, but can be available as a select off-market opportunity, centrally listed by our friends at BG Yachting. But myself, High Seas Yachting, would be pleased as well to offer buyer representation for anyone interested in this boat. I'll put both our information down in the description, and we'll see you on the water.